Okay.
With red peas, breadfruit and all them things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Peas and plantain style. Good.
And yellow yam.
Oh, it's already cooking.
No, not yet. Man, I'm going to put that in there for them to get soft.
Okay.
Because I'm not like when it's tough, you know. That's how I like when it's soft. Yeah. That's what we're talking about. But I'll get breadfruit later on. When I fall, I have to eat strong food, you know, because I'm a rain here. But one thing when I like the rain right now, kill all the blood clot mosquito them wing and can't fly again. You don't even see, you don't see them. Mosquito get fucked now, you know.
Yeah, good.
The mosquito dead now, because they can't fly again.
They're strong today, man. They're definitely out in full force.
Yeah, man. The same rain here kill the mosquito. Lick off them wing. The people not be glad when the rain fall, because mosquito not stay alive. But dead then dead. But them go fly go up there. Oh, man. Come on. The mosquito is a wicked thing, you know. Other man and I go over and I see them. But I go down and go look this man, I don't see them. I say, oh, good thing. God fall rain, you know. Destroy the plague, you know. From like blood clot teeth, come kill and destroy. Yeah.
Look at this. Classic piece.
Yeah, man, that come from high, that sauce up there, you know.
Oh, wicked.
Yeah. Darren House.
Sour?
Darren.
You want some sour stuff?
Come out here. You need it. Hey, Jay.
We got some special guests on the yard today.
Yeah.
Darius.
Big ups.
And MJ.
Yes, I.
Yo.
I hide sauce up here.
What is this?
It's a fruit.
It's sweet.
It's a fruit. And if you juice it, you dig very strong. The reptile up there.
Eat everything.
Oh, yeah, man.
So be careful.
Let me careful that and that
Yo.
dick. Yo. Get crazy, man.
Power in a reptile, is what they say.
Man. Yeah. Why not, man?
So we found tons of these on our hike when we went up to the plantation ruins, me and Ratty and Koopy.
Oh my god.
And this one, is that your first one, MJ? It's a beautiful one, isn't it? And the leaves are really great for tea, right? You gotta sort this out with some soursop tea. Let MJ try that one, because that's a wicked one. Ratty, how is it?
Good.
Good like the ones we got on the hike?
Yeah.
Yeah, hell yeah. Been a minute since I had some good soursop too. Man, that's like a little sweet one too. Check this soursop juice episode. Check this soursop and Guinness episode 2. That's a crazy drink. Yeah.
Bread peas with plantain and breadfruit. I'm gonna put the pumpkin them in there yet.
Okay. That one cooks quicker, so you save it till the end.
No, those things, I can eat 60 million of them.
60 million soursop?
Yes.
Soon.
You
So
can
peas
sleep
take the
with-
longest.
Yeah, man.
And look at the
That's
color
right.
already. It's turning so red. You just put it in a second ago.
We
You
some
know-
coconut juice.
Yeah.
Prepare the coconut juice already from last night. So
What
they're
the-
sitting and waiting, man.
You know that can turn peanut.
Oh yeah?
The peas can turn peanut. Inside of it.
Yeah, man, I left it there.
What does that mean, turn peanut?
Yeah, when it cut inside of it, Monko like inside of it. He always blend up.
Oh yeah? In a drink? Okay.
Red peas. He got a thing in there, a machine, he blend it up and eat it. Oh, I said that's gross. Look at it.
Is that one from the garden?
Yeah, I did.
Wow.
Not from a
Sweet
garden,
potato.
in Maran Bay.
Okay.
And I'm gonna plant them.
We're gonna eat them. We're gonna eat them later.
No, we're gonna plant them.
We're gonna eat.
No, we're gonna plant them.
Never ending battle, plant or eat.
I got a yam big like this before. That long.
I've seen one as big as my arm. We went to Ebo Spice Portal in Kingston with Mark Weens.
You see that? And that way I work with it. Remember now, flame that fire, you know. Red hot Rasta kitchen. The soup is always red tonight. But it's a plantain soup we are cook. And it's not normal. If you come and try it out.
So these berries grow in the backyard there. And they kind of have a, I don't know, how would you describe the taste? They're sort
A
of
bitter taste.
yeah. Bitter, savory, but they add a nice kick to soups. The Rati's gonna show us the Susumba tree real quick, where that little berry came from. Well, on their own they taste gross. We'll have to do a taste test, I think, just to show the people. So this is the tree. Are you gonna try it?
Me and Drew, bro.
Okay, same time. So it goes pretty tall. These ones are too old, obviously, but yeah, you just go for the green juicy ones. Thank you. Looks good. Water's done, man. There's no water the last 2 days.
So let's head back up to the tree.
This is the Susumba taste test. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
It's good, bro. It's good.
You gonna swallow it?
It's good, bro.
It is not good.
Yeah, it's good.
It tastes like a pea. Same texture as a pea, but super bitter. Although,
good.
after you get through the initial bite, it's actually not that bad.
It's good, bro.
You think so?
I'm eating it right now.
I don't know if it's good, but it's...
Oh, friend. I was got coffee in my mouth. I just go and pick the coffee and got the sister bar sweet up.
I just got pranked.
And throw that away and eat.
Yo, that's the first time you got me with a really good prank. Nice
Yeah.
one. That was good.
I take the system bar and throw away over here.
Very
and put it in
smart.
my
I was
mouth.
wondering what you're doing in the coffee bush. I'm like, what the hell is that? All right. Smart move, man.
You could have said no coffee. I make you see your hands. Ah.
Reddy's pranks don't normally work on me, but he definitely got me there. Big time.
Sweet potato this.
Ooh.
Sweet potato. Now do that, man. This, chocho.
The green one.
Yeah.
Also known as chayote.
Yeah, chayote.
Spanish.
No,
Mexican.
chayote.
Pumpkin
Funky.
is the orange one.
Yeah. Breadfruit.
Which is the breadfruit?
It's white one.
Oh, wow. It looks so light, actually. Can I
It's
see
light
that?
one.
Wow. Because sometimes it looks very yellowy, right? So, interesting. I don't think I've had breadfruit in a soup from you before. Like maybe a little bit, but interesting.
Breadfruit.
And we got a nice red color from the red
Carrot.
peas already. And some carrots, okay.
Some pumpkin.
Beautiful colors, man.
Yeah. So everybody and sweet potato lads in there. We're going to put cocoa too. I try to soup this, you know. Yellow yam.
Yellow yam, okay.
But a good soup, you know.
Yeah.
Could be worse, brother. I have to boil it before rain too.
Yeah, it's...
Why be second, you know.
Yeah, we're just gonna
Every second
chase.
you're going to your ass, you know, Kim. Fuck.
Shout out to Ratty for bringing me the umbrella when we were out on the farm there. Saved the day.
Yeah, save a day, brother. No food we have tonight, you know, man. We're not done.
I feel like I see everything except for cocoa. Is the cocoa in there?
Oh, not yet.
Ah, okay. Thought I was going crazy for a second. I didn't see any cocoa in there. That's like the number one thing we picked. This has not even been out of the ground like 10 minutes. So when you get a soup like this on the yard, it's as fresh as it can be.
Yeah, man. This is cocoa, you know. I will just get the knife on them. Good.
And tell people how they can recognize the leaves again, the cocoa.
Well, leaf, they are all different type of leaf. You have the white one. This is a white cocoa, like white cocoa. This is a yellow yam.
And you got the minty cocoa.
Yeah, this is no minty. This is a white joke.
White cocoa.
Yes, sir.
Now there's one kind of cocoa you got to watch out for too, because it's got the same kind of spade-shaped leaf.
Yeah, but the whole of them, the whole thing, are the same one thing, cocoa.
But you taught me about the scratch cocoa.
Yeah, man, scratch cocoa.
Yeah, you got to tell people about that one because they can get messed up from that one.
Scratch cocoa, I put in a fish pot, man. Get parrot fish, brother.
Yeah.
I see. Chima always look them. That man over there.
You want piece more well for cut piece?
No. Put the plate them and put in that for me, brother.
Cut piece already.
Clean them and put in that. Me no want no more. The pot can't hold no more food.
I'm gonna cut this up already.
That's getting
All right.
full.
A soup, a food we are going to get on a soup. As it don't get fuck already. You know see that? Can't hold no more, man.
I'm gonna just cut up the bread for
So what happens to people if they eat the scratch cocoa?
Oh, it's... But now we catch them at you. A kind of something, and not something where we eat, think you must have scratch cocoa, I feel like fish.
Well, my belly's grumbling already. But that scratch cocoa, that's the one you showed me the leaf to drink out of. But but I'm sure people that don't know what they're doing mistake it for a regular cocoa.
And fork.
Oh shit.
Skill me, have a skill to put that there.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I'm gonna back up. I don't want to be the one to knock the pot on the ground. I do not want to be that guy.
So like how it rain now,
Yeah.
now we pick them. Like, you make them spring. Like how you see a whole of yourself. You see all different totally fresh spring in, you know. Even yourself. See? All of them places. So.
Right where you chop it.
Yeah.
Starts anew.
Yeah, it starts anew. So you have to do it like this. And take out them all the time. This. See? You left them in there. And the worm.
Oh.
Breed it. See it look dark?
Yeah.
Worm.
Ugh.
Yeah.
What plant is this again?
Callaloo, man.
This is callaloo, this big.
Yeah, man. That's from upper high height it come from, you know.
Wow.
Upper high height it come from. So me have to do it like this all the time. Watch, look. See these leaves?
Yeah, you can see the holes coming up in it, yeah. Wow, I didn't know they grew this big. That's huge. So these ones no good?
No, that's not good. That's fuck up leaves, you know. Some people cook it and eat it, but that's sick with the blood clot, with the worm in it, you know.
Ugh. I know you always said when you get the when you buy it from the store, you had to take off and
Yeah,
pick the picky,
the girl
take all
called
the
me and
stuff.
tell me, say, then callaloo, yeah, they wish this callaloo, them, man. And them, yeah, me breed it with the seed. So me can get a lot of seed.
Yeah, you got tons.
Tons more seed, but me have enough seed a higher height same way, but up a higher height it come from. Yeah, man. Remember we pick melon and so, you know. We eat enough melon right here.
Yeah, this is where all the watermelon was growing.
Yeah. It's a massive callaloo. Look, if you look around as well. All the way around as well. See like how it rain and fall? And me bud them. Like take out them there. And I cut them half thin for the guests them, you know.
It's cool.
Yeah, guests they eat them a lot. So me always try to get out the bad leaves out of them. I don't want them worm leave in them. For them breed nothing, eh?
Yeah.
As me see it, me move it.
Well, it saves you a lot of time because when you buy from the store, you spend half your time just picking apart the wormy
but this-
part of the holes.
Yes, and this, and in this, you know, when them buy them at the store, them manure, but them are no manure, brother. Nah, do manure, man. I'm gonna pick up the seed them. One of the day, me come back, me cut it here, so look now. See?
Yeah.
And this can be a new one.
So you just force it to keep
See?
making more.
Yeah, see, when me cut it here, so now when I go eat it one day, you know. See?
Yeah,
Cut it
totally.
as well.
Yeah.
And then 2 you come up back.
Double it up every time.
Yeah, see? Them?
Are they always this big, or is this a bigger than usual one?
Fuck man, it's and no people eat off of this. As me see them, they pick them out, you know?
Yeah.
And me have the seed. So people if you don't want this seed a high breed of Colorado don't come right here. I don't get back home and I don't get the biggest Colorado tree just like this. Who ever see a Colorado tree big like this? No people.
I was gonna say, if you look down at the trunk, I mean, it really is like a tree.
Yeah.
It's crazy. It's like so thick. You could tie up your cow, tie up your goat. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 huge trunks. Crazy. That's full boat.
Yeah, man. All type of food in there, man. Yeah, man. All type of food, but right down. I'm going to put some juice in there. Put it over and cover it over root soup. But you know, so they want to drink root soup. Root soup, you know.
For all the roots man or roots woman. Now this is some proper coconut milk. Coconut juice with the pieces in it too.
Yeah.
Ooh. Sometimes you strain it all. This one's full on coming out. Wow. Okay, that's a little twist.
I first one that boil in there, you know.
Yeah.
The plant, you know, so everything I go down go cook, you know.
I'm surprised the plantain actually takes one of the longest, but I guess because it's green, it's pretty hard. It really is more like a potato.
Yeah.
So it kind of makes sense like that. Oh, look at the color change on the plantain.
Come on.
Wow. Yeah. Huh. From green to brown. Oh, you take it out. Okay.
A vine soup, you know? Vine soup. Vine soup. In come from vine.
Oh, thank you.
Dessert shop.
Wow.
That's
so
why,
good.
That's why I put them in there first.
Very soft.
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. See that, people?
The seed taste where it give already though. I don't know the soup. The
Man.
seed taste where plant give. You see that change?
Yeah. Colors changing up. Change the mood. Got some
You know,
fresh wood in there. We're gonna get a little more smoke.
That's what we're cooking tonight. Everything from the root. Everything from the vine. So this is a root man soup. Vine production, you know? And all in the pot is all vine production. You know? None of the way I like rice flour and nothing from Babylon. Vine production we are eating tonight. So it's a vine soup. Everything, one roots. This breadfruit is me plant them, you know. This is breadfruit, you know, if you don't know. This back you see it white, you know. This is breadfruit. You do it again like this. So that's when you cut it, that's our breadfruit. You fry it, it's white just like this. And you can fry it same way. Like how you see it here. You don't have to roast it, you know. Just fry it same way. Yeah, this.
And I know I've talked about it before, but the very first breadfruit in the New World, they come from South Pacific. They were brought to Bath, I think 300 years ago.
Yeah.
Something like that. So
Yeah.
this is original strain breadfruit.
Breadfruit is maca.
Yeah.
Maca is your skin rough.
Yeah.
That's why we call it maca.
Uh-huh.
You see this? See it? It's two different breadfruit.
Yeah, way rougher.
Yeah.
Totally different.
Yeah, this is Sinkit and this is maca.
Ah.
This is yellow heart. This is white heart. Two different type of breadfruit. So this one on the roast it, it's yellow. This one on the roast it, it's white. come like a bread.
Yeah. Which one would you say is better roasted, or does it matter?
It
Really?
doesn't matter.
Okay.
That one here, but that one is like an in-graft, but that one is the first original one.
This is the original one.
Mm-hmm.
So
the
not
first
as rough.
one.
Okay.
Skin are rough. So one in-graft and one not in-graft as two, but we know are two different breadfruit. Jamaica bless you. You can't find food.
To the 1%.
Bless what you think? Muta Baruka that, yeah.
Oh, is that him talking?
Yes.
Oh, I like that guy. The wise guy.
Where's it bless with it? We can't get no food in him.
Whoa. Is Mutu Baruka on every day?
Thursday.
He's got a lot of good YouTube videos too. Alright. I don't know if he has his own channel, but he does interviews on a lot of different channels. Comes the rain again.
Okay. Put some okra in there, man.
Alright, so we got okra, scallion, thyme. I'm amazed you even fit anything else in there. You didn't know how full it was.
I
but-
like. But not a fucking thing. Not more than one of these are super.
No. Not one more drop.
Nothing.
Not one more red pea you could fit.
No, it's nothing. Sun is vital.
That's the trick to non-slimy okra, people. We talked about it before, but don't throw it in your pot in the beginning.
No, man.
You're gonna have a slime soup. You do it right at the end. Cooks
Yeah,
so
man.
quick, it's so nice.
Sharp, you know.
Took me a long time to learn that, but
That is straight, brother.
yeah, you don't want to nothing leaning out and spilling out slowly. Oh, this is a new dog here. This is Keto. Hey, Keto. Keto's got huge ears. You look like a Roddy, kind of. Hey, Keto.
Some can eat steam okra. More better, you know. Steam okra.
You said you couldn't get anything else in, but you managed to get a half cup of water in there.
What are the water I want in?
Yeah, water doesn't count.
I want the water in there, man, because it's too thick.
Here comes the ultimate test.
Could see. Take it on.
Yeah, really good.
Nothing in there. No.
Yes.
Want nothing. Just straight so.
No meat needed.
No, sir. Some steam okra. See?
Vegan Ital style. Vegetarian, whatever you
Yeah.
want to call it. However you do it, it's good for you.
Yeah, man.
Well, Van, gonna roast this one for later.
You gotta wait it later. Maybe sometime. It's kind of ripe, so it's nice, you know. Yeah.
It's such a huge one. Hey, buddy. There you go.
So let's go up on the farm and get it, huh? The man can say, boy, that's a huge breadfruit, them are born. Drive people crazy with all this temp, you know?
Head size.
Yeah, man, king size breadfruit, them.
That's it.
Yeah, man.
So, I don't know who's first. MJ's going for it.
Oh, yes.
So this is the Rootsman soup. With vines.
Yeah, man, roots man soup, you know? That vine.
That's mom soup.
Ratty, man.
Hot, but good.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, it's fresh off the fire.
Yeah.
So, man, you just something hot, you know. So we share dinner and breakfast, you know. I be just hold it, you know. I be just hold it, you know.
Danger Bay.
Yeah, man.
Yo.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Wagwan.
10 out of 10.
What's your take on it?
Savory. Sweet. So many vegetables.
Yeah, man.
Any dominant flavor stick out for you? I always find it's hard to pick out what is
What?
what almost. Well, it's steaming up too.
Time. The red beans are mad.
Yeah.
Plantain
I
too.
think everything takes its place when it's time to.
You kind of get a bite of all the different flavors.
Yeah.
And, hell yeah. My favorite is that non-slimy okra.
Oh yeah, much need to eat that one.
I know. Ooh, I want one of those beans actually. We've done red pea soup before, but this is a different one. Different mix of ingredients. Yeah, those beans are killer. I'm really curious about the breadfruit too, actually, because I haven't really had breadfruit in a soup.
But where it is?
It's kind of hard to tell. It's like a whiter, thinner cut
Is it
one.
this?
I think it's this. See this one? Yeah, you got it. I think that's it. So,
Yes, that's
you know, roast fried breadfruit in Jamaica you have all the time. You're not necessarily going to get it in a soup like this.
It doesn't feel like breadfruit. It feels like a total different vegetable.
Yeah. Just it gives it like a different texture entirely, yeah?
Like a dumpling.
Yeah, natural dumpling indeed. Now I want to try the cocoa too, because that cocoa is the one that just got picked
Go home.
like 5 minutes before it went in. So I think. Rat, is this a cocoa piece? That looks like it, yeah? Okay. So that's going to be the one I'm really into because it's so fresh, it's just insane.
Massive cocoa piece.
Yes. Cocoa for 3. Wow. Oh man. Cocoa has a crazy kind of sticky texture to it, like it sticks to your mouth. It looks like a potato, but it's totally different. Yeah, I love that. And look how soft it gets. So there's the cocoa there. Whoa, steaming up the camera. I'm gonna scrape it off and it turns into like mash. It's so good. So Rati pranked me earlier with this, which is a susumba,
Yeah.
a raw one, which is
Yeah.
horrible, while you ate a coffee bean. Are you gonna try it for real this time?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see yours first though.
Alright.
I wanna make sure it's not a
Got it.
coffee. Got it?
Yeah.
Oh, yours is big too. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's still bitter. Here's the real reaction.
Lena's got bread.
You bastard! Twice in a row.
Bumble.
Let's go.
All right. Well, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my soup and hope I don't get pranked again. Twice in a day.
I just pick up the thing and throw it down. It's so funny.
It's bitter, less bitter, but still bitter.
I'm about to eat twice.
So, chef, how'd it turn out for you?
Turn out good, man.
Yeah. Bless up. It tastes amazing.
Yeah.
And
And
that-
different type of food, you know.
And it might look like a small bowl, but there is a lot
Wow.
going on in that bowl.
Yeah, that's
Size.
why I give you it, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I try and put them in that, you know. That man in the eat that bowl with that man have. That man eat no food, so I put in a blue bowl, you know.
Nice.
For him. So you see them little bowl there, then hold a lot of food there. I mean, I big on them too. Not that thing over there,
Yeah.
the plastic thing there. Well, you know that. And then I throw back more water in there. Nobody get a drink of it, you know.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, so I have to throw back water in there. Like coconut juice. Well, it's really good.
Amen.
Yeah,
That's why I'm drinking spring
Bless
water,
up.
bro.
yeah, man.
I'm drinking spring water.
Mm-hmm.
This is the best water.
I agree.